G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews. Today we're doing the Nokia 8.1 slow motion video test, and as usual we've got Connor the Catboy to help us out. Let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Alright folks, there we go. That's the Nokia 8.1 slow motion. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think. For me it's not too bad for the price of the phone and everything like that. I think it's a pretty good display of slow motion for the price. Don't forget, you can hit me up in the links down below if you want to buy this device. There's links to eBay and Amazon. I think it's definitely worth it for the money.